Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Scorpios. Queen of Pentacles, the Tower, the Empress, Page of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are undecided about something. You have two choices and you do not know what to do, what choice to take up. Okay, and maybe for some of you all, though you have everything in life, in your physical life, in your professional life, you may be very successful. You may have everything going for your benefit, your work or whatever it is, and in your personal life also, this person, you may love them, you may feel secure and safe with them. Though you have everything, you are in some way or the other very stressed today, guys. You don't know what to do. You are feeling that you have a blind spot regarding something, some kind of issues, and you have some kind of doubts in your mind regarding something, and some things are going to maybe you feel people are not respecting you enough. You may feel they are not treating you well, and you're feeling stressed. Because of that, some kind of stress and anxiety is there, that emotional distress is there, guys, for you all. You feel sad somewhat because of these happenings, like maybe someone from your immediate relative or your friend or your person, you may feel that they are not treating you properly, or they may be talking behind your back. Something is causing this stress, this emotional stress, guys. Let me pick more cards to get better clarity, guys. Let us see what is coming up. Dog, ship, heart, English. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are feeling stuck in some kind of emotional stress. You have to come out of it, to venture into to appreciate what is happening in your life. You have this beautiful relationship, and where you feel that attraction and love, and that intimacy is there. And to appreciate all the good facets of this relationship, you need to come out of the things that are hurting you, the things of the past, maybe your memories, or maybe your notions about certain things. You would have had some bad experiences. You should come out of it, guys. You should go with the come out of your set patterns, whatever pattern of thought, negative thoughts or negative emotions you are having today. You need to come out of it, step out of the negatives, and only then you will see what is there in your hands now. So you need to overcome this stuck energy, guys. Only you can help yourself. When you move out of this that negative zone, you will see a whole new world waiting for you, Scorpios. So you need to take this first step, guys. This relationship, as far as I see with these cards, it stands for what to say, harmony, love, and that equality is there in this relationship, and you have this good attraction. And it may this person is devoted to you, and they may want to come towards you and propose to you, but first you have to overcome this negative energy you're having, and you need to think clearly for yourself. So let us see what we are getting with this other set of cards, guys. What is our course of action? Count your blessings. You see clearly, clairvoyance. Be your true self. So guys, with this card, the fairies messages are like we should look around ourselves, we should appreciate the things we have in our lives and people who are there in our lives. When we become very familiar with these things, we just forget the real worth of these things, guys. Whatever people, whatever things we have, when we are very familiar, when they are there day to day, we do not appreciate what is there, and we do not know the worth. But once in a while we need to reflect within ourselves about these things, guys, what we have in life and people who are there, and we should be really grateful for how blessed we are with in our material life and in our relationship. So in order to do that, the way to show our appreciation is by helping others, by helping the people who are there in our life, our friends, family, and even strangers who we meet anonymously. We can try to help them, maybe if possible financially, or through some help, maybe something, by spending our time and energy, guys. So that way we are paying back to the universe for helping us be blessed in such a way in our life. So we need to be grateful for the things we have, guys, and we need to see the truth also. So whatever we are, like few of us will have certain kind of interest, few of us will have something different, few of us will be interested in sports, someone will be interested in music. So you need to do those things which you have liking to, like you will have what to say, a kind of attraction towards that. You will have a gut feeling kind of wanting, you want to do it. So you will love doing such things. When you have that kind of interest in anything, you have to take it up, guys. and you have to be authentic to your own self. You can try different things, and it will just make us happy, and it will help the people around us also to be happy, Scorpios. And you have to, what to say, see things from a different perspective, guys. So you should not believe whatever comes through everybody, whatever people say about others or about you, but you should discover for yourself what is the truth, guys. So you should be courageous enough in your heart to understand and see what is the truth in any situation. So in order to do that, you have to have a different perspective. You should view things from a different perspective. When you do that, you will see the truth for as it is, guys. So you will know what is happening in your life, and you will get a solution. So that is what the fairies are telling us today. The fairies are telling us today through these cards. Count your blessings, you see clearly, clairvoyance, and be your true self. So if we try to do at least a little, try a little every day, it is going to help a great way, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.